Here are 10 steps to break free from destroying your brain through the addiction of doom scrolling and cheap dopamine. The constant flood of mindless content is rewiring your brain, making it harder for you to focus and achieve anything meaningful. Cheap dopamine, like the endless stream of TikTok and social media, keeps you in a loop of instant gratification, numbing your potential for success. If you want to reclaim your mind and your future, you need to shift away from consuming mindless content and start generating dopamine through effort. Here's how. Step 1. Acknowledge that cheap dopamine is ruining your focus. Recognizing the problem is the first step. Every time you open social media for a quick fix, you are training your brain to expect instant rewards, making it harder to focus on tasks that require effort. Understand that this addiction is keeping you from long-term success. Step 2. Detox your digital environment. To break free from the cycle, you need to remove the triggers. Delete or limit the apps that keep you glued to your screen. Replace them with tools that promote productivity, like reading apps or fitness trackers, and create a space where meaningful work is encouraged. Step 3. Engage in a dopamine fast. Set aside time during your day for a dopamine fast, no social media, no mindless content. Fill that time with activities that require focus and patience, like journaling, exercising, or learning something new. This will reset your brain to appreciate real rewards rather than the instant hits you've been feeding it. Step 4. Create more than you consume. Shift from being a consumer of content to a creator. Write, build, design, anything that produces something of value. When you create, you engage your brain in a way that produces sustainable dopamine through effort. The more you create, the more fulfilled you will feel. Step 5. Set daily time limits for screen use. Moderation is key. Use your phone's screen time tracking tools to limit social media use. Create a hard stop for doom scrolling by setting a maximum of 30 minutes per day. Use that time more wisely for tasks that build your future. Step 6. Train your brain with deep work. Engage in activities that require deep concentration and effort, known as deep work. This could be working on a passion project, studying, or any task that pushes your cognitive abilities. The more you practice deep work, the more you will train your brain to focus for longer periods. Step 7. Reconnect with nature. One of the simplest ways to break free from cheap dopamine is to step outside. Nature reduces stress and resets your dopamine levels. Leave your phone behind and spend time outdoors. It's a powerful way to clear your mind and reset your focus. Step 8. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness helps you become aware of how often you reach for your phone out of boredom or anxiety. Meditation can train your mind to stay present and reduce the cravings for quick dopamine hits. Just 10 minutes a day can improve your focus and self-control. Step 9. Build real-world connections. Social media may offer the illusion of connection, but true relationships happen in the real world. Start rebuilding your social life by spending time with people face-to-face. These interactions provide a deeper sense of connection and satisfaction than anything you'll find online. Step 10. Focus on long-term goals, not instant gratification. True wealth and success come from delayed gratification. Set long-term goals that take effort and time to achieve, and work toward them daily. Your brain will begin to crave the deep satisfaction that comes from effort-based rewards, rather than cheap dopamine hits. By following these steps, you'll not only break free from the addiction to cheap dopamine, but also regain control over your time, focus, and future. Stop consuming mindless content and start building a life that brings you real satisfaction and success.